How to have a nice color background under 20 bucks. Hey, I'm Alan Chamo, and if you like me and suddenly you had to convert your home into a little home studio, you realize that you need to adjust the lighting and maybe have something in the background to separate between you and what's happening behind you, and also to create a nice atmosphere. So I got myself a little light. It's an LED light. Let me show you what it is. You see here the purple behind me. Without the light, by the way, it looks like this. Yes. With the light. And you can adjust the colors. I'm going to show you in a moment. So let's see what it is. So basically it's an LED light. There we go. It's called GLW LED floodlight stage lighting. Basically, it's a simple LED light. It has 16 colors. It has 4 different modes. So you can, if you can strobe. It has fade. It has flash. But the nice thing is that you can also adjust the brightness of it. So that's really nice about it. So let me show you a little bit. There you go. Let me just press on the flash so you see all the colors. There you go, it's going through the colors. I don't think it's all the colors, but some of them. So if you want to have a disco at home, you can also use it, as you can see. But I just like it simple. So this is a nice way to do it. Another way to do it is have a green screen, but I didn't want to have a green screen. You need to adjust the lights, which you can do, and then on a green screen you can do whatever you want, but I just wanted to have a little bit more homey atmosphere for my shows, and I think that this is good. Now I have a very small studio, so one light is good enough for me, but if you have a larger area to cover, you should consider getting 2 of these lights. So this is nothing professional. I wouldn't use it in a professional studio, but if you just need to have a nice background, even if you just do some meetings on Zoom, this would work perfect. So there you have it. The link is in the description. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on the bell so you're notified on my next video. My name is Alan Chamo, and I'm here to help speakers and entertainers on their virtual journey.